Iqbal's poetry and pics user. But with his pics. Iqbal, also known as Sir Allama Muhammad Iqbal, was a renowned poet, philosopher, and politician who played a significant role in inspiring the Pakistan movement. He was born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, which is now part of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal is considered one of the most important figures in Urdu literature and is often referred to as Mufakir-e-Pakistan, the thinker of Pakistan, and Shair-e-Mashriq, the poet of the East. Iqbal's poetry, deeply rooted in spirituality and philosophy, sought to awaken the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent and reinvigorate their sense of identity and pride. He emphasized the importance of self-realization. Poetry also served as a catalyst for the eventual creation of Pakistan as a separate nation for the Muslims of British India. Here are a couple of pictures of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal. Picture 1. Allama Iqbal. Picture 2. Throughout his life, Allama Iqbal emphasized the importance of spiritual development, self-awareness, and the revival of the Muslim community. His poetic work includes famous works such as Bangidra, Asrar-e-Khudi, Rumuz-e-Bekhudi, and Payam-e-Mashriq, among others. Allama Iqbal passed away on April 21, 1938, leaving behind a rich legacy of thought-provoking poetry and philosophical ideas. His vision for a separate nation for the Muslims of India eventually became a reality in the form of Pakistan, which was established on August 14, 1947.